Hi everyone, I'm Ishan, co-founder of Kifayat. I would like to congratulate everyone since we all survived through the pandemic. During the peak spread time, the situations were very grim in India and a strict lockdown was imposed which forced everyone to stay indoors. My father is a chemist and like other superheroes working throughout the pandemic, providing the essential services, he ensured he conducted his moral duty of giving medicines to ailing customers. Since my father didn't have any helper in the shop, it was very challenging for him to manage the shop's activities and deliver medicines in a time bound manner. Moreover, the deliveries couldn't be outsourced as there was no cost effective and hassle free delivery services, which made the situation even more difficult. At this point of time, I was thinking, what if there is a delivery service that would pull essential item orders for various customers in a particular area and hand over the items to their doorsteps? Such a service would not only provide a cheaper delivery option to the retailers like my dad, but also solve the massive pain point of not leaving their shops to make such deliveries. Upon researching, I found that the corner store owners, which in India we call as Kirana stores, in my locality face the same issue, same problem, even during the non-pandemic period. My story is just one among the 12 million stories in India. Here is our solution for the Kiranas, chemists, and other retail shop owners in our neighborhoods.
Hey, allow me to present you through our solution. Suppose you are a Kiryana store owner. You have an order to deliver. With Kifayat, what you can do is log in, enter the details of order, and just click place order. That's all. A driver will be assigned to your order. He will come, pick up the order, and deliver it to the destination. Similar thing would be done by your supplier to supply things to you. Special part of our application is its interface is quite similar to other interfaces that you must be using in your different interface like Ola or Zomato. There are currently 10 million trucks in India transporting materials from place A to place B. A research says that 32% of loads they are carrying is empty. There we comes in. We have an algorithm that makes it ensure that those 32% is reduced to as minimum as possible by catering maximum number of orders to least number of vehicles. So now coming to our revenue projections. We have divided our revenue projections in three stages, stage A, B, and C. In stage A, we are focusing to get 100 vendors on board in Delhi region. From the feedback we got from different vendors, we calculated that they are having 50 deliveries on an average in month, and we would be deriving $14 of revenue from those 50 deliveries. Then after getting a smooth operations in the stage A, we will shift to stage B, where we will be expanding to more number of stores in Delhi and then to other cities. Now coming to stage A part, we are currently ready with alpha version of our application, and as soon as all the testing part is being completed, we will go out to fetch vendors on board and then have a market penetration. For that, we are currently seeking some funds to get promotions on so that we can fetch vendors easily. Now, let's come to our team. So, I am Piyush, currently pursuing major in computer science. I have a brief 4 months of experience in hard plastics industry, which is basically my family business. My co-founder is Ishan. He is also currently pursuing BTech from IIT Jodhpur. We have a good mentor backup with us from which are having a great experience in this industry of logistics, and they provided us with a lot of confidence. So from the confidence of mentors and from the feedback we got from different vendors we contacted, we are quite excited for our product to help small retailers and hope that you are too. So that's it. We are ready with queries that you must be having. Thank you.